A fresh, odor-free washer keeps your clothes truly clean and extends appliance life with every cycle. Best washing machine cleaner options break down residue, eliminate buildup, and fight grime, helping maintain performance, improve hygiene, and prevent costly repairs over time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. COMFEE 1.6 cubic foot washing machine. The COMFEE 1.6 cubic foot washing machine is a practical choice for users who need a compact yet capable laundry solution. With 6 essential wash programs including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only, it offers flexibility for handling a wide range of fabrics and soil levels. The inclusion of 3 water temperature options and an extra rinse function allows for more customized washing, which is especially useful for sensitive clothing or heavily soiled loads. Its 1.6 cubic foot capacity can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small families, apartments, or dorm use. The stainless steel inner tub enhances durability while resisting rust and wear over time. One of its strongest advantages is energy efficiency, consuming significantly less power compared to similar models, which can reduce long-term utility costs. The child lock feature adds an extra layer of safety, particularly in households with kids. Its compact footprint ensures it fits easily into tight spaces without compromising functionality. Overall, this model strikes a solid balance between performance, efficiency, and convenience for everyday laundry needs.
Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 120-volt washing machine. The BLACK+DECKER 120-volt washing machine is designed for households that require larger capacity and dependable performance. With a generous 4.1 cubic foot drum, it easily accommodates bulky loads like bedding, towels, or family-size laundry, making it ideal for frequent use. The agitator-based system enhances cleaning efficiency, particularly when dealing with tough stains or heavily soiled garments. Built with a stainless steel wash tub, the machine ensures long-term durability and resistance to rust, which contributes to consistent performance over time. It features 10 wash cycle options, giving users the ability to tailor washing conditions based on fabric type and cleaning requirements. This level of control makes it versatile enough for everything from delicate fabrics to heavy-duty loads. Despite its larger size, it remains user-friendly, with straightforward controls and reliable operation. The overall design focuses on functionality and durability rather than portability, making it best suited for permanent installation in homes. For users prioritizing capacity and powerful cleaning performance, this model stands out as a reliable and efficient option.
Number 3. COMFEE 0.9 cubic foot washing machine. The COMFEE 0.9 cubic foot washing machine is a compact and highly portable solution tailored for individuals or small households with limited space. Despite its smaller size, it offers 5 wash programs, including heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, along with 3 water levels, allowing users to adjust settings based on their laundry needs. The machine also supports customization of wash, rinse, and spin times, giving more control than typical compact washers. Its lightweight design, combined with built-in wheels and handles, makes it easy to move and store, whether in a dorm, RV, or small apartment. The transparent lid is a useful addition, enabling users to monitor the washing process in real time. A rust-resistant steel inner tub ensures durability, while the integrated drain pump simplifies water removal. Notably, this model is highly energy efficient, consuming significantly less electricity compared to standard machines, while still delivering strong performance with up to 840 RPM spin speed. Quiet operation further enhances its appeal. Overall, it's a smart choice for users who value portability, efficiency, and space-saving design.
Number 4. ROVSUN 17.8 pounds washing machine. The ROVSUN 17.8 pounds washing machine offers a convenient all-in-one solution for users who want both washing and spin drying capabilities in a single unit. With its 2-in-1 functionality, it streamlines the laundry process, eliminating the need for separate machines. The 1.5 cubic foot capacity is sufficient for medium-sized loads, making it suitable for small families or shared living spaces. One standout feature is its diamond-patterned inner drum, which helps reduce wear and tear on fabrics while improving cleaning effectiveness. This design ensures clothes are treated gently without compromising on cleanliness. The machine provides 8 washing modes and 5 water levels, offering flexibility for different fabric types and soil conditions. The quick wash option, completing cycles in as little as 26 minutes, is especially useful for busy users. Additionally, the air dry feature enhances airflow, helping clothes come out fresher after each cycle. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to fit into smaller living environments. Overall, this washer delivers a balanced mix of efficiency, fabric care, and convenience.
Number 5. Auertech 28 pounds washing machine. The Auertech 28 pounds washing machine stands out as a high-capacity, all-in-one laundry solution designed for users who need both washing and drying in a single setup. With a large 28-pound washing capacity and a 2.8 cubic foot dryer, it is well suited for handling heavy loads, including bedding and bulky garments. The machine features 10 wash cycles, such as quick wash, bulky, and tub clean, along with 5 adjustable water levels, allowing users to fine-tune each cycle according to fabric type and load size. Its powerful 400-watt motor, combined with a high spin speed of 1600 RPM, ensures effective cleaning and efficient water extraction, reducing drying time. The included dryer offers 8 specialized drying modes, making it versatile enough for different materials like cotton and wool. A unique addition is the shoe dryer attachment, which adds extra functionality beyond standard laundry needs. Despite its larger capacity, the unit maintains ease of use with intuitive controls and consistent performance. Overall, it's a comprehensive and efficient option for households seeking convenience, power, and versatility in one machine. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.